Welcome to Vietnam's capital, Hanoi. I'm starting my northern Vietnam adventure here before heading to Ninh Binh and Halong Bay. My flight from Da Nang took just over an hour, and by the afternoon I checked into my hotel. Good morning from Hanoi. I'm just sitting at the famous train street, ordered a coconut coffee and I'm just waiting for the train. So let me show you how it looks like. It's really busy here. I started the morning wandering around the old quarter, where every corner is buzzing with life. Next stop, St. Joseph's Cathedral, one of Hanoi's most iconic landmarks, built in the late 19th century. Hanoi streets are full of energy, and here motorbikes rule the streets. Nearly 7 million motorbikes, compared to just about 1 million cars. The Temple of Literature is Vietnam's first national university. Heading out for dinner, and this is my life right now. Today I'm joining a day tour to Ninh Binh. First stop, Hoa Lu, Vietnam's ancient capital. Next, we took a boat ride through An An, gliding between limestone cliffs and hidden caves. Finally, we climbed 500 stone steps to the top of Mua Caves. The highlight? The view. Last day in Hanoi and an early start for a full-day Halong Bay cruise. Welcome to Halong Bay. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has over 1,600 limestone islands scattered across the waters. Halong means descending dragon in Vietnamese. According to legend, dragons descended from the heavens to protect Vietnam from invaders and spat out jewels and shade, which turned into the limestone islands you see today. Northern Vietnam is full of contrasts, from buzzing streets to calm islands. Thank you for watching, and until next time.